So hello everyone and welcome to the car trader.
So on this video we are going to show you
Yes.
the all new RSV4 1100 factory delivery, and that's the second RSV4 in India
Yes, and
first RSV4 in South India.
and so many super bikes will be coming. For example, Panigale V4 RF.
So many
Many bikes will be coming. More than 10, I think.
It's a very grand
and
delivery.
just see this.
Yeah.
See.
As you can see this MV
Super bike.
Agusta and
Everywhere super bike.
Yeah. Okay. Please stay tuned and watch the
Yes.
till end.
There's a lot of content coming. Please stay tuned.
Bye.
Stop the time, 'cause I wanna freeze this moment. Make it mine, hold you close. Now my heart's wide open. When I'm with you, suddenly I feel no pain. Do you make it go away? Do you make it? Stop the time, 'cause I wanna freeze this moment. Make it mine, hold you close. Now my heart's wide open.
तो हम आरबी मोटो ब्लॉग से मिलने गए थे।
जी।
इस वक्त लेट हो गया।
हाँ।
नो इश्यूज, बट अब हम यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं। ये है RSV4 1100 फैक्ट्री का डिलीवरी, और आप देखिए यहाँ पे बहुत सारा। ये है Rosie. Okay. How are you, Rosie?
I'm fine, how are you?
Yeah, good. You saw the MT15 launch?
Yeah, it was very good actually.
Okay. So as you can see the lineup, S1000RR.
That's my baby.
There's a Panigale Brtuale and the RSV4. Okay. So we will try to show you the nice cinematic shots of the delivery video. And it's India's second RSV4 1100. You like that bike, RSV4? Or that Panigale V4?
You can't give me a hard choice. I really love Ducati, so I would go anything for Ducati.
Okay.
Because the Street Fighter will be amazing.
We'll continue the vlog. जो दो बाइक बचा था वो बाइक भी आ चुका है। दो हायाबुसा, टाइगर, पैनिगाले, RSV4, S1, TRK, V Strom, KTM DUKE 790. What else you need? Brtuale and RSV4 1100 फैक्ट्री। तो बहुत सारा बाइक है, और आप प्लीज़ एंजॉय कीजिए। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।
Yes, please subscribe.
We will show you the shots from this GoPro, this phone, iPhone, everything. Okay.
This also.
This also. Okay, please subscribe us. I want to show you now Panigale V4 and the RSV4 together. Just see. This is the Panigale V4 and that's the RSV4. There's a new model and this is a little old one. As you can see, both DRL, LED DRL, this one's and this one's. Bro, it will have backfire, okay? Just going for spin.
Feels like to sit in a Panigale.
Never thought about that. So now they're calling us for giving a special gift. Let's see what they're giving. The Aprilia team. So finally we are ending this video.
Yes.
And I hope you like this video. After a long time we came back in this Superbike. And last time if you saw that old RSV4, it is coming up. That is old S1 and old 10R also came. But this time Panigale V4 and the new S1 was there.
Yes.
So make sure to hit that like button, comment
and I just sat on the Panigale V4.
Even me, if you don't know, you want to see photos, then you can see us on the given description, their Instagram accounts, SZX10R and Shaheen Vocals.
Yes.
And you can also follow Car Trigger.
The Car Trigger. The underscore Car Trigger. And please follow Rosero also.
Please follow
Sir
Rosero.
Solo.
Okay. Ending this video with this MV Agusta.
Yes.
Bye.